If you have an account of Perplexity AI and you're trying to log into it, in today's video, let me show you how. Welcome back to Howenic everyone. Whether you're using the desktop app, mobile app, or just the web version of Perplexity, you can just visit the platform and then log in with your credentials. For this video, I'm just going to use the web version. So open up a web browser, search for Perplexity AI, and you'll be taken to this section. Now on the right hand side, depending upon how you created your account, you need to select an option. For example, if you used your Google account, you can just click on the Google account option and then select the Google account that you used while creating your account. As soon as you click on your Google account, you'll be immediately logged in. You can do the same process if you use your Apple ID or your Apple account. If you used your email address instead, type in the email address that you used and then click on continue with email. This way a code will be sent to your email address. You just need to type in the code and then click on continue. And as easy as that, you have been now successfully logged in to your account of Perplexity. You can repeat the same process if you're using a mobile app as well. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.